Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to unlock the strawberry verbena pie in Heartopia. So right now Heartopia has a new event that called modular street, and at this event you can unlock many new special food. One of them is strawberry verbena pie, but to cook this pie you need to unlock the recipe first. This is the hidden recipe at this event, and then to unlock this hidden recipe you need just go to your brick serving card. You can craft it first, and then after that just choose this fruit. Then after that just choose this recipe, fruit verbena pie. This is the original recipe of this pie, and then you can get this original recipe from the NPC Massimo. You can buy it from him, and then after that just complete all the ingredients. You need butter, and then egg, and then lemon verbena, and then just replace the fruits with the strawberry like this, and then next just tap start cooking. And just like that, you will unlock the strawberry verbena pie recipe like this, and the recipe will be added to your cooking collections like this. You can see it's already unlocked. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.